JavaScript operators, tiny symbols that do a lot, from math to logic, from assignments to decision making. They're everywhere in your code. In this video, we're breaking down every type of operator in JavaScript with clear examples and real explanations. Let's dive in. Let's start with arithmetic, the basic math operations like addition and division. Here we're adding 5 to the value of a. It's just basic math. This subtracts 2 from a. Simple. Multiplication and division work just like you'd expect. But this one is a little different. The percentage operator gives the remainder. 10 divided by 3 is 3, with a remainder of 1. The double asterisk operator is for exponentiation. So in this case, a to the power of 2. These increment the value of b by 1. But when that change happens, matters. b++ is called the first increment operator. It means use the current value of b, then increase it. So if b is 1, console.log b++ prints 1, and then b becomes 2. Plus b is the pre-increment operator. It means increase the value first, then use it. So if b is 1, console.log +b prints 2 because it adds 1 before using the value. This subtle difference matters when you're doing assignments or passing values in expressions. Assignment operators let you update variables without writing the full expression. Instead of writing x equal x plus 2, we just use x plus equal 2. It's shorter and clearer. Same idea, x asterisk equal 3 multiplies x by 3 and assigns it back. Comparison operators check relationships between values. This checks if 5 is greater than 3, which it is. This checks if 5 is greater than or equal to 5, also true. Now this is important. Double equal compares values loosely. It converts types if needed. So 5 equal 5 is true even though one's a string. But the triple equal compares both value and type. So in this case it would be false. Another example, null and undefined are loosely equal, but not strictly equal. Logical operators help you with conditions, and only returns true if both sides are true. Here, one is false, so the result is false. Or returns true if either side is true. One of them is, so it's true. Not flips the value, so true becomes false. This is short-circuiting. If isLoggedIn is true, it runs show dashboard. If false, it does nothing. The spread and rest operators look the same. 3 dots, but they behave differently. Spread breaks things apart. Rest gathers things together. You can think of them as opposites. Spread takes the array and expands it into individual arguments. Math.max doesn't accept arrays, but it does accept multiple numbers. Spread fixes that. Rest collects multiple arguments into one array. In this example, it gathers all the arguments passed to sum so we can loop through them and add them up. The type and utility operators. These help with inspecting values. Use typeof to check what kind of data you're working with. The in operator checks whether a property exists in an object. Arrays in JavaScript are also objects. So, length in the array 1, 2, 3 checks if the array has a property called length. And it does, since all arrays have a length property. Instance of checks if something was created using a certain constructor. Here it confirms D is an instance of the array constructor. Instead of writing an if-else, use the ternary operator to assign values based on a condition. If isHappy is true, you get a smile. If it's false, you get a frown. One line, same logic. We covered a lot: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logic, spread and rest, type checking, ternary. These are tools that let JavaScript make decisions, do math, and manipulate data. Practice each category with small examples. The more you use them, the more intuitive they'll feel. Like, subscribe, and comment below if one of these tripped you up. or if you want a full breakdown on one of them next.